Mukbang Mermaid.
Hey guys! I am Mukbang Mermaid, and I'm Mukbang Mermaid. Well, I knew the day was gonna come. The landlord called, and she said I got 30 days to be out if I can't come up with the rent money. Pufferface was renting this place, and when he caught me and reeled me in, I thought I would just be living here. But he disappeared on me, and I've been here by myself, trying to make ends meet. I gotta come up with $8,000. If you got Cash App, you can send me something at Mukbang Mermaid. I'm just gonna give them a call and see if they're still hiring. Getty. I got some spaghetti and bread for dinner. Anybody like to put sugar on this, Eddie? I do. Dear God, I love you, and I thank you so much. Today on the menu is Getty, but my name ain't Freddie. When I lived down below, I had a teacher named Betty. Hopefully I'll find a job soon so I can pay the rent. I really don't want to get kicked out and live in a tent. But if I do, through it all, I know you got my back, God. I love you. Amen.
Hello?
Hey, Betty. Sorry, I had some spaghetti in my mouth. I saw your ad, and I was wondering, are you still looking for hiring?
Well, we're an agency. So what kind of work are you looking for?
Well, you tell me, Betty. I can do it all. My landlord just called and told me I got 31 days or I gotta get out, so whatever you have.
Yeah, but the thing is, you have to have experience and references in order for me to help you. The only thing we have left right now, unfortunately, I don't have anything like a housekeeper or childcare, which is what we specialize in, because they're not interviewing now. I only have a couple's position for a husband and a wife.
Oh, and what will they do?
What would they do? Well, you know, the lady of the house would be the housekeeper and cooking.
I can do
and
that.
laundry.
I can do that. I love to cook.
Yeah, but have you done this for people?
Yeah, I cook all the time for people on cam.
What's that?
I cook all the time for people on cam. I go on cam almost every day. I'm a great cook. Just give me a shot, buddy.
Yeah, but it's...
I was living with a guy and he left me. So right now I'm here by myself.
But you have to tell me, what kind of work have you done?
Well, I cook. I've cooked for large amounts of people. I love to cook. Like I said, that's my specialty. I also do lawn care. I can cut the grass. I can clean. I paint. I do it all, buddy.
How old are you? How old are you?
Well, I'm old enough, I'll tell you that.
Oh, okay. You have to email me a resume of
Okay.
your work history, who you worked for, what you did, because we have to check your references. So you have to have a resume. Do you have a resume of your work history?
Yeah, I can throw one together real quick, buddy. And I've never been to prison. I don't have a record.
Okay, I believe you. What's your name?
Mukbang. My mother named me that.
What is it?
Mukbang.
Nutbound? Nutbound?
Mukbang.
That's your
Mukbang.
first name or your last name?
That's my first name. My mother named me that. She was one mother of a pearl, I'll tell you that.
I believe you. I believe you. Okay. Then email me your resume.
Okay.
I need a recent photo, a picture of you.
Okay.
Names and telephone numbers of the people that you've worked for. Unless you have any letters of references. And email all that information to me.
I got a meatball in my mouth. Give me a second.
Okay.
Okay. A headshot of my face or my full body.
Well, whatever you have.
Please.
Either way is okay.
Okay, let me tell you. Please do not be afraid when you get my picture. Please.
You have a pencil and paper?
Yeah.
All right, my email is
Pardon me.
OPT.
TT? You got some TT?
No, O.net. N-E-T.
I got it.
Send me all the information. I need a resume, the photo. I need your phone number, your address, and we'll do the best we can.
Do you remember my name?
Well, when I see the resume, I'll have everything. Nutbound, or whatever it is. Nutbound, or whatever it is.
Hey, come on, buddy. It's Mukbang. My mother named me that.
Okay. All right. So
What are you eating for dinner?
Okay.
What are you eating for dinner?
That's not up for discussion, what I'm eating for dinner.
We'll be a couple with someone if you want me to.
Well, not right now. Let me see what you've done so I can help. All right. Well, thank you very much. I'll look for your paperwork, okay?
Mukbang, help me out, buddy. All I gotta come up with is $8,000.
Okay.
How much does it pay?
All right, sweetheart. So just send it to me, and I'll do the best I can. But it's very quiet right now, so it may take a little time, okay?
Thanks, buddy. Alright, guys, I'm gonna go ahead and get my resume and my pictures together. I'll see you guys back here tomorrow. Like, share, comment, subscribe, hit the notification bell. I love you. Pardon me.